So I'm back with, I think I'm going to call this the second last part of this character creation series. Okay, so before the video starts, I know I keep asking this in every video, but please like, subscribe, comment, share the video if you can, help the channel grow. Again, like I said, if I don't say this at the beginning of the video, since most people don't watch the entire video, I feel like it gets lost in the ether. So yeah, do all the YouTube stuff. It really helps me out because like I've been noticing like my channel has been growing, I guess, a lot recently in the past maybe 4 weeks, I guess. But yeah, please continue helping the channel. It really means a lot. So yeah, let's get into the video. The only thing that I have to do now is the hair, because this is where I do the skin for the face and the hands. The clothes are already done, and I don't think there's anything else that I need to do after this. So yeah, the character, in my opinion, I guess at this point will be 98% done, I guess. But this is only from my, I guess, point of view. But yeah, getting into it, like I said on one of my previous videos of this series, I think it was the last one actually, like the previous video, where I talked about how my shading knowledge, I guess, for the skin, especially like for the face, is mainly based on how I saw Julian Casper does it in the Rain character creation breakdown on the Blender Studio. I think it's on the Blender channel, not the Blender Studio, but either way, I guess they're pretty much under the same company. So if you look that up, you'll see how he does it. But the way I do it is mostly through, I guess, vertex painting more than, I guess, just like texture painting on images. So I start off with doing the base color for the skin, and then from there I'll do let's see, the roughness for the skin, and I'll also do the subsurface scattering. Now with subsurface scattering, there's like, I don't know, it's a bit more not complex and it's not really difficult, but it's more, I guess there's just a bit more that goes into it, because I first take the base color for the skin, and then I connect it to the subsurface color on the principled BSDF, and then I hook it up to a hue saturation value node. I adjust the hue, the saturation, and the value a bit by small margins, just so you know I can get the skin looking, I guess you could say, a bit reddish, so that when light shines through the model, you get that glowing reddish effect. So that's another thing that I do. And then from there, there's also the subsurface, which I don't know how this differs from, you know, the subsurface color, but yeah, with this one you can paint a black and white color map, but I used color attributes again, like vertex colors, which is basically just a black and white map, and I painted mainly the nose, the mouth, and the ears, because those are the areas that affected by light most of the time. When, you know, you shine light through them, that's where the SSS basically shows the most. So yeah, I'm not gonna show myself painting the hands because it's pretty much the same concept. This is just so you guys understand my workflow on this. And there's also the matter of the normal map. So what I did with the normal map is that I tried to bake it from a multi-resolution sculpt of the head model, but it was showing up kind of weird. Like, you will see when I apply it to the character, she kind of looks wrinkly and, you know, unappealing, I guess. So I chose to not go with that, but instead I don't think I'm going to use like that sort of detailed normal map, but I am going to use one for like I guess like the surface of the skin, since, you know, the skin isn't like perfectly smooth. I might just use a normal map that is like I guess it sort of has like bumps to it, you know, and I will mask out certain areas because like not all areas of the face will be affected by that. But yeah, for the most part, I guess that's how it will look. And that's pretty much it, I guess, for the skin. You'll see, I guess, maybe if I remember to do this, or if I do have the time for it, I will show the end result with like other skin surface details, like applying, okay, maybe not applying these things, but like I'll show all the things that I'll do behind the scenes. These are mainly just things that are, I guess, are on the diffuse, or I guess most people call it albedo, but mainly just the color of the skin, you know, like how they'll have like freckles and things of that nature and other things. So yeah, those are the things that I guess I might not show myself doing, but they will be on the model or on the texture when I'm done. And yeah, but at the end I chose not to use, I guess, like a wrinkle normal map for this character and just left her like that. But I do have like certain skin imperfections for her. So yeah, I mean, I hope that sort of like clears things up for, you know, this breakdown for how I do skin. The next thing that I have to do now will just be the hair, which even then I don't know if it will need too much explaining, but you know, if things do get a little bit complex, I guess I can go into detail for how I do that. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. There's not really much to say about this process. So yeah, I will see you on the next video.